Yo, we should be live. Sorry. I don't know if I was late there. I think I was like a minute late. Twitter is down. Oops. I fucking everything up right now. Absolutely. Twitter is down. And I started freaking out because all my content is on Twitter and I was trying to like finish up like all the topics I wanted to discuss today. And then like I can't even fucking load some of these pages because Twitter's fucking down, bro. Twitter's my life.
We should be live.
Oh my
Sorry.
god. And I have the echo in the background because I'm struggling. I'm struggling like crazy right now. Fuck. Alright, but now it's fixed, so. And I don't know. Twitter's like 50-50 LMAO, yeah. whatever. It's one of those days. Interesting start. Alright, I think Twitter might be working again now. No, it's not. It's like 50-50. It's like certain features are working, certain features are not. Alright, yeah, but we're back. It is a Saturday. A bunch of gaming alphas just dropped. What else? What else is new? We have. Sorry, I'm just finishing up some of the things that I'm pulling. We do have. All right. All right. So yeah, so Twitter is gonna be partially down, so we'll see how much we get through. But I have like most of the topics that I want to discuss in here already. Other than that, we're game accurately. So let's just start with the charts. Let's just start with the move yesterday. So let's just start with the weekly. Let's talk about macro really quickly. Let's go to my weekly chart. And all right. So on the weekly, we have So should I use this layout for charting, or should I just use the fucking normal one? I don't really know, but I think I'm just gonna use the normal one. Honestly, I think you get just more information. Also, fucking load in. Thank you. All right, cool. I just need something to load in. For that, I can actually see. I just need the stochastic pivot loaded. Up to you. All right, I'm just gonna use this. I think this makes more sense for charting, but we'll see. Fuck around, find out. Weekly chart, we're still within this little purple range. We gotta break up or down. We still have to decide. Personally, I still think we're gonna break up. The pivot point on the weekly is 29.5, which we did bounce off of yesterday on that little wick to the downside. Volatility is still super low. On the 5-day, volatility has finally gotten above 15. Now, it needs this close to confirm it, right? But getting above 15 on the volatility is a confirmation of the signal. Now, what is a signal? According to Crown, it's basically you volatility crosses above 15 from the downside, while stochastic while stochastic is whichever direction it's in is the direction Bitcoin goes. And what's the average move? To the long side, the average move is 30 to 50% on average. That's like the lower standard. It's like 30 to 60 more. Lower standard deviation to the higher one. I believe that's from the bottom though. So technically 30% gets us to 33, and then 60% gets us all the way to 40. So that's the way it's measured. It's from this bottom area at the start of the move, and not from the signal. I believe it's not from the signal point. So from the signal point, it's like a 30% move max. But that is a pretty bullish sign. We do have, and this has played out, I think, every time, or like it has like a super high hit rate, it has like 80% hit rate or higher, something like that. And I don't have the exact numbers, but it is a very powerful signal. And I do think we get that expansion to the upside. On the 2-day, we are still consolidating. I do want to see this break up by Tuesday. Otherwise, we're probably going to go more sideways for the next like 2 weeks and then go up, which is going to be a lot more boring. On the daily, we are seeing volatility continue to come down. So volatility is now at 70.24, which so volatility is declining, and pivot point is at 3,500. So pretty much just sideways here. We're literally in this purple zone even on the daily time frame. We're literally just stuck in this purple zone. So I just think it continues for a little bit now. The 12-hour is primed to be bullish. We see volatility super low already. I can't even think of the last time volatility was super low was back here when we were going sideways for 20 days at during January, and then after that we ended up pumping 50%. And I do think we're in a similar situation here. Wait, let's mark this off. Let's mark this off on the daily, this area. On the daily, we did see volatility come all the way down. All right, so I guess it was more boring the daily, but I'm going to assume 5-day was Oh wait, 5 day. I not mean. Sorry, I have like some points. 5 days. This point right here, we were seeing 5 day decline, and then once 5 days started expanding, like I mean, it just ended up confirming this move. It was a little bit delayed, but I think if you pull up the 2 day, it's a better time frame. So yeah, on the 2 day, we saw volatility decline all the way. So I guess volatility is super low. Never mind. Never mind. There's nothing there. I was just curious to see if there's any patterns. So scratch that. But yeah. So it looks like we're just gonna see volatility decline. 12 hour is turning up above 3,300, which is kind of interesting. Could we expand potentially? But I'm looking more at Jewel, and I would want Jewel to come down more, and then we go, or if we just go back in the bullish control zone, that's also a good sign. So we'll see. But I'm more focused on Jewel here than I am also casting on the 12 hour. So that's just a heads up. But we are literally just grinding sideways within this range on the lower side and the upper side. And if you did take this long yesterday that I was talking about, I've been talking about this long the last like 3 streams now. If you did take it, you're up at like the worst. If you took it at 29,900, you're up a good 2% on like 20x leverage. You're up like 40-50% right now. I'm up like 40% on the trade. So just a trade that I called out a little bit ago, and I'll go over it on the lower term time frame. What is this trade exactly? Basically, we're within this range. We're just bouncing up and down this range. It's fairly boring. We're just going up, down, up, down, up, down. We're probably gonna go up and maybe go down again. I don't know. I think we break out Tuesday. Filthy weekend trader. Well, no, no. This trade was fucking open before the weekend. Bro, this trade was open before the weekend. This is a 5 day trade. This isn't like oh my god. Oh my. I'm upset. All right, so basically, what the signal is we have this 5 day signal where I do think we get expansion here, especially with BBWP volatility getting above 15. So getting above the 15 level, which it has officially gotten to. And so that I think there's a weekly trade to be taken here. And then how would you enter this weekly trade? You enter it in the bottom side of this range. You enter at the bottom side of this range here, which I marked out back like here. I was around like, I don't know. I marked it out a few days ago. Basically, I was like, look, if Bitcoin gets between 29.9 and 29.5, pretty much, I had it a little bit lower, like 29.5. But if it gets between those here, it was this wick right here, all the way back here. But between 29.9 and 29.5, you should be looking for longs here, and then your stop should be any 4 hour close below 29.5. That's your confirmation. All right, we're breaking down. This is a bull trap. But as long as we do not get a singular 4 hour close below that area, which we didn't even get close to, we literally wicked fat, and then we stayed above my higher zone. We stayed above it. So, and then since then we've bounced from just my lower higher zone. We've bounced 2.5%, 2%. From the lower zone, if you took it all the way from the bottom, you're up like 3-4%. So this was the move to be playing yesterday. I just had some like news that caused some FUD, but it was all like bullshit, and the move ended up working out very well if you took the trade. 15-minute, we're just seeing grind sideways and grind slowly up, which is a good sign to me. I think we're back pretty bullish in terms of I think we're gonna retest the top side again. I wouldn't take any other significant positions on here. You could either just take profits at the top side or just continue taking longs at the bottom range and just look for that expansion up to 38, however you get it. So I'm personally waiting for that expansion all the way up to wherever we get it. So whether that's just so right now we're at this resistance. So whether it's to like here or higher, however it plays out, I'm just looking for longs on this bottom side, and I do think it's going to be worthwhile at the end of the road. Let's go to the VLOAD data. We saw during this insane volatility yesterday, we did see Bitcoin go up all the way like to 31.3, and then all the way down 6% in like a single candle, pretty much 5% in a single candle. And what this caused is it caused a lot of open interest to drop. So from the peak here, open interest dropped about 13%. So let me measure it like that so you see it better. Dropped about 13% within like a 4 hour period. Within like literally 4 hours, we dropped 3-4 hours. We dropped an insane amount of open interest. So basically, a lot of people got liquidated here. A lot of people got wrecked. I can gladly say I didn't get wrecked. I actually traded this immaculately, but that's a different discussion. And now I'm long right now from 30 or something like that. I was delayed to my trade. But regardless, funding rate is like super relevant at this point because open interest has dropped so much that everybody got wrecked. And now it's a weekend, so everybody's like, all right, it's a weekend, we're taking a break. We're not going to like look to open trades. Although you are starting to see it pick up a little bit, a teeny tiny bit, up 2%, which I guess is a decent amount. But comparatively, it's really not that much open interest. And I personally, and that's a very bullish sign because it allows spot to come in. And if we start seeing spot buying over this week and next week, and I have reasons that spot, why people are going to be buying spot a lot soon, and I'll go into that in a little bit. But as long as spot are buying, what's going to happen is we're going to see price go up. And when price goes, so what's going to end up happening when spot, all right, so we're going to see price go up to probably to the top side of the range. Meanwhile, we're probably going to see open interest go up, but very slowly. And we're going to see, while open interest goes up, we're going to see funding go down. The reason why funding is going to go down is because when spot leads moves, funding tends to go down because it means that futures aren't predicting that move up as much. So it means that spot is leading the move, and that's a very, very bullish sign. And I think that bull case scenario can now play out now that we've liquidated everybody within this range. Back here, I was still worried. I thought I was looking for negative funding. Like from basically here, I've been looking for negative funding. And the reason why is because we need that confirmation that people are so short that we can move up and we can liquidate people. But nobody's shorting until this like nasty wick and all this whole mess. And now people aren't necessarily shorting, but there's not as many people long. And the good thing about not as many people being long means that you're just more likely to go up because you have less people gambling that you're going to go up. So it kind of like balances out. And so I think the bull case scenario can now play out a lot more cleanly now that we've liquidated so many people. So let's get into the news. The first news of the day, the CBOE trying again with 5 Bitcoin ETF filings. Actually, wait, let's restart this. How do I do this? Velo, by the way, I should have, oh, okay, wait, it's fine. All right, well, this shit's bugged for some reason. There we go. There we go. All right, let's get into the news of the day. The CBOE trying again with 5 Bitcoin ETF filings. A few hours after bombshell Wall Street Journal report, CBOE refiles Bitcoin ETFs. Which 5 are these? These are, what's it called? These are Invesco, Van Eck, Wisdom Tree, ARK21, and Vesco Galaxy. As well as, I think there's some more actually. Let me pull up the article. Wise Origin was the one I don't think that was on here. Yeah, Wise Origin was the one that wasn't on there. Anyways, these 5 Bitcoin ETF filings are refiling now as a spot Bitcoin ETF, following the BlackRock influencer, key influencer of the digital banking era, and they will all be using, just like BlackRock, they will all be using Coinbase. They'll be using Coinbase for their CBOE surveillance partner for the spot Bitcoin ETFs links, and that is super bullish for Coinbase because it shows that all these ETFs are using them, they trust them. And that also means that Coinbase are probably going to be pretty protected from this SEC lawsuit and are probably going to get away with everything. So this in general to me is very bullish coin stock. I'm actually here, so coin stock is right now. I'm just going to check it. You can't really see that I'm looking at it, but bro, do I not have coin? Oh, there it is. Coin stock's at $72 right now. Damn. I could see coin stock easily getting to 115. That's another 50-60% move, and you just take options on that. I think that'll play out very well. Cointelegraph, for like a Bitcoin ETF may not be as bullish as you think, argues at no shit coins. I don't know what the fuck that is, but this is probably an opinion piece. And the interesting thing with this is that I agree and disagree. I think going into the event, it'll be very bullish. I think Bitcoin will pump insanely into that announcement and maybe through the announcement. But I do think once that ETF gets approved and gets launched, I think on the launch of that ETF, I think that'll end up being the top of our next move. And there's a few reasons why. I always talk about on the charts how I think this next move up is the last move up. But also, there is a lot of potential now for people to look to short Bitcoin, as well as in general, just because institutions have access to Bitcoin doesn't mean that they necessarily want to buy it, at least in the short term. They might want to look for lower prices. So I do think that this will end up being bearish, I agree. But into the event, I do think it's a bullish catalyst to just pump into. Brenda Skedit, unironically think Hisaka sold account. Don't see him ever shilling a rollbit link ever. So basically, Hisaka was shilled a rollbit link, and everybody's like freaking out because rollbit is a gambling platform. People don't fuck with gambling platforms for some reason. And this is the first deal he took, Hisaka as a influencer. But at the same time, rollbit probably paid good money. Plus, gambling is fun. Like, as long as you understand, look, gambling's an addiction. Don't gamble more than you can lose. Look, just have fun with it. Fuck it, we ball. It's like, honestly, the good thing with gambling is it makes you less emotionally involved with other things in life, and low-key that's a good thing because it allows you to take things more in stride. You get used to it, unless you're just a degenerate gambler. But you just get used to things. I feel like it desensitizes you a little bit, but in like a good way if you keep control. Or you're just a complete psychopath. That's the other option. Now, Bitcoin Ordinals can save Bitcoin miners before the halving. I absolutely agree with this opinion. The reason why is because Bitcoin Ordinals cause a significant, and so what ends up happening is there's so many more fees that the Bitcoin miners end up earning more. It's similar to Ethereum, where Ethereum gets super congested and super high fees, but at least the miners, the stakers, are making good money, and it's more incentive for more people to continue buying Ethereum. Bitcoin is the exact same thing, where a lot more Bitcoin goes to these miners, and this ends up being a good thing for the price in the middle to long term. And yeah, because more people want to mine, and it just secures the network even further. So yeah, I absolutely agree. Bitcoin or ordinals will save the miners, and if you dislike Bitcoin ordinals, that's because you're a loser. Now, moving on. Legend. NFTs are the greatest thing ever. So you have to support the Bitcoin ordinals however they're doing. All right. Biden student loan relief should get through the. So, all right. Let me restart this. Jim Cramer tweeted out Biden student loan relief should get through the Supreme Court without hesitation, and then the Supreme Court strikes down Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. I just thought that was hilarious. He continues to be wrong on literally everything. Jim Cramer is literally never right, and it is the funniest arc in all of crypto, and all of stocks, TradFi, and all of politics, and literally everything. I can't wait for Jim Cramer to put his money on a presidential candidate and for them to lose. As soon as he does that, they're going to win. He's going to be like, yo, RFK trash, and the RFK becomes president. Some shit like that. Nigel Farage, the former leader of the Nigel Farage, the former leader of the pro-Brexit UK Independence Party, says his bank accounts are being closed with no explanation or recourse, per Bloomberg. So, what the fuck happened there? So, what's going on here is, it shows that how much control the government has and these banks have, and this should never be allowed to happen. Everybody should have their own right to their own financial freedom, which is why crypto is the best, because only you control your own keys, and as long as you don't get hacked or anything, you're good. All right, I figured out what's going on, but I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, so at the end of the day, this is just me being bullish crypto further, and also because crypto is apolitical, doesn't care about your politics, it doesn't care about your race, it doesn't care about your government, it just gives you financial access to money. Bro, why is shit bugging? Oh my god, I'm gonna blame Twitter on everything for today. Do I have like shit open? Alright, tilted. Very tilted. Maybe it's the way I have my stream laid out. I don't know. Let me just default. Yes. Alright, there we go. Let's continue. Just in, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg are welcome to fight at the Colosseum, Italian government says. That'd be insane. Imagine Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk do their cage fight in the Colosseum. That'll be like one of the, like, them fighting in the first place is crazy, but them doing the Colosseum would be like literally, like, I can't believe we're in this timeline. I can't believe I'm alive for this. It's gonna be absolutely sick. Unusual whales. It is being reported that in the French riots, numerous zoo animals have been released in France. Videos showing zebras, lions, and elephants running the streets of Paris have been seen. So right now in Paris, there's a bunch of revolts and stuff. I don't really know what's going on. There are people with literally automatic rifles, shotguns, and guns, and using explosives, even though guns are illegal in France, by the way. Like, you're not allowed to carry a gun, so I wonder how they got those. Looks like those gun carrying laws aren't that fucking useful after all. Anyways, you just have... Alright, this is a terrible fucking video. But there's literally fucking zoo animals in the street. And it's absolutely insane what's going on. It's like an absolute madhouse there. So, more the reason for me never to visit France. It's okay, it wasn't even my plan. I'd love to go visit Italy. Go visit some other countries in Europe, not France. Yeah, we all need more guns. To be fair, the percentage of gun holders in America, the percentage of households with guns has not changed in the last 50 years. Or at the very least, yeah, at the last 50 years, it has not changed. That is a fact. It has remained around 45% of households in America carry a gun. That statistic may go up 5%, might go down 5%, but it has remained within a 40 to 50% range for the last 40, 50 years. Now, the fact that the government banned guns fully in France and doesn't mean anything shows that gun control is not effective. At the end of the day, only 45. Yeah, I know 45 is insane, but the thing is, you're seeing all these these killings go up recently. Like, I think 90% of children. Yeah, but you're seeing all these school shootings happen. That hasn't happened before the last 20 years. It's only happened the last 20 years when we've had all these like new drugs and we've dealt with all this depression. We've had the social media shit and all these electronics. This wasn't an issue 50 years ago. This was an issue the last 10, 15 years, especially. And I don't know. It just whatever. It's just a mess. But it really shows that gun control doesn't do shit at the end of the day. People will always figure out how to get guns. People always break the law. Think of prohibition, where they got rid of alcohol, didn't end up doing anything in the first place anyways. It just created a bunch of legal alcohol. Even all the people in the government still got alcohol legally. So end of the day, it's all a bunch of bullshit. Let's get into the market watch. So what's going on? Let's go to the main market right now really quickly. So Bitcoin is sideways. Quantum is up 23%. Flow is up, even though it's like one of the worst things I've ever seen in my life. Bitcoin SV continues to on a stampede within the Bitcoin ecosystem to become the #1 token of all crypto. Imagine Bitcoin, Satoshi's vision surpassing our Bitcoin. Could you imagine that reality? What else is there? Yes. Other than that, market's pretty much sideways. Nothing super insane. Just some weekly pumpers probably. Yeah, Compound, Zuck. I've never even heard of eCash before. Is this a China coin? This was like a China coin. South Korea. Yeah, it's a South Korea coin. It's an Asia coin. Wait, eCash is the rebranded version of Bitcoin Cash ABC, a fork of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. It calls itself a cryptocurrency that's designed to be used. Bro, what the fuck? Send that shit to 0 right now. 0. All right, watch list. So, Ethereum, our rollbit, my pick of the coin, my pick of the day yesterday that I am slowly DCAing into, up 50%, 70% last week, 50% last day. You know, we like that out here. Picks on picks on picks. Getting really rich. Fucked on that bitch, yes sir. All right, and what else? And then Woo Network up 80%, another favorite. RDT up 15%, another favorite. Even though like RDT is a super micro cap, volume is literally $3,000. So I don't know about that one being a favorite per se, but that's my super degenerate coin. Lido up 13, Solana up 8. Rune is actually above $1 still. Congratulations, Rune. I'm surprised it still hasn't gone to 0. Gains up 6. All right, so everything up decently. Pika up 3. Let's look at the portfolio. So we're at $960. We're almost at $1,000. After today's DCA, we'll be at $1,000. Today's day 23, I believe. Yeah, today's day 23. Hopefully I didn't fuck up that tweet. Yeah, so today's day 23. And we're going to hit $1,000 before, which is a very fat W's in the chat. Let's DCA really quickly. So, whoa, create portfolio. Oops, dummy debt. Add transaction, Bitcoin, $10. Amount of Bitcoin I can buy every day just goes down. It bothers me. All right, that's our $10 of Bitcoin of the day. $10 of Ethereum. No, not Tether. Fuck Tether. Of Ethereum. Near. There we go. Add transaction. Our big cap pick of the day. I just want to DCA into one of my tokens that are doing well, or even not doing well. And I will be picking Pepe Coin. Why? Because Pepe Coin is an up-only chart, and I can't wait for do 100x. And then this $30 I'm going to put into Pepe Coin. I'm probably going to stop around here. I'm usually capping a lot of these tokens around 30. GMX only went harder because it's fucking GMX. And look, it's up. It's up solidly. So, like, GMX, there's no reason not to go up. But I'm going to add more to Pepe because I do think on this next pump, we do get, like, fat exits on these memes. Unfortunately, as much as I hate it, it's the sitch with the crypto world. I believe it's 600 is the number. Yeah, 600, 50, 40. I bought so much Pepe recently that I already know how much the math calculates into. 0.8543. There you go. Add transaction. So Pepe, and then microcaps. By the way, microcaps are so outperforming that they're literally like way higher than everything else, and I haven't even DCA'd yet. So what is my microcap pick of the day? It is Mux Protocol. I want to finalize my position in this. So with this final 10, I will be done putting money into Mux Protocol. So at that point, I'll have a very even spread. Now RLB is up insanely. I put in only $20, and now it's up, and I'm up 50% on those $20. Sucks, but that's how it be like. And on both those buys, you can see that the amount I could buy decreased, but it pumped, and that's why I continue to pump. Now I'm just trying to get. Oops, I accidentally left my portfolio. Now I'm trying to get fully positioned within the microcaps within my what's it called? I'm basically trying to take a perp dex bet on like the general markets. So I do want to finalize my perp dex bet with this final purchase. So let's finish that up. So that will be 0.8, 0.7. There we go. So add transaction. So officially on the dashboard, we are up 10% on Bitcoin as my average buy-in, and we are up even more than that on my alts. W's in chat. Wait, I'm up 12% on my alts. I'm up how much on my ETH portfolio? About 7%, and on my big caps about 7% as well. Today's day 23, so I'm officially 23 times 40. I'm officially 920 deep. I'm up 80, so 80 divided by 920 is about 8.7%. So we like that. We like that. Up only, up only. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. $1,001. Very, 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 very nice. So yeah, all times up 80. So some very, very, very nice numbers. Fuddies, let's take a look at how my Fuddies are doing. My favorite NFT project. Oh, they're up. They're at 70 yesterday. Now they're at 80. So W's in the chat. Very, very nice. Oops, let me close that. Pudgy Penguins, they are also up 4.45 ETH instead of 4.1 ETH. Told you to buy yesterday. I said they were at a good price. I mean, I tell you to buy it. They're at a good price any day. Pudgy Penguins below $15 is always a good buy. All right. So just buy below $15 Pudgy Penguins, and you will outperform the market significantly, probably. Just buy Pudgy Penguins every day, all day. Let's see if there's anything on the news calendar for Pengus. I wonder if there is. I don't know if there is. I haven't been paying attention. All right, so there's an Inner Igloo meeting this Sunday, and there's an NYC Pengu meetup on July 29th. So this Sunday's tomorrow, and then I might pull up to this NYC. Yeah, wait. How do I say I'm in? I'm in. Oh, wait, I gotta sign in and stuff. I wonder where it is. Please RSV ASAP. I'm gonna check the prices of this place, and then maybe I'll pull up. Maybe I'll go. Twitter scam bots have reached an all-time high. $15 Pudgy Penguins, dude. 50. Yo, is that what I ended up saying? I ended up saying something stupid, and I just stopped talking. Bro, any Pudgy Penguin below 4.45 ETH, just buy it. Any Pudgy Penguin below any price, just buy it. Luca Nets, Twitter scam bots have reached an all-time high. This is facts, bro. I be getting noties. I keep getting noties on noties on noties. And it is non-stop on these fucking bots. And it is so fucking annoying. But it'd be like that. And I just keep blocking them. And eventually they'll fuck off. And they could go suck my cock. Alright. Luca Nets also. So someone just scheduled a call with me to pitch a partnership. And he took the call with his shirt off. That's a first. That's something I would do. I would go shirtless on stream. But there's not really been a good excuse. And I don't want to like scare off any potential viewers. So with my absolutely massive muscles. So yeah, I won't be doing that. But if somebody comes in and donates like money on money on money, I don't know why I'm in this fucking mood where I just want to repeat the same fucking word. But if that ever happens, maybe we'll get into that shit. Gun to your head, which one are you buying and why? Lil Pudgy, Sappy Steals, Beans. Honestly, Beans are at kind of a fire price right now. I actually fuck with Beans a lot. However, at the end of the day, you're buying Pudgies, Lil Pudgies, or you're not buying anything at all. And Lil Pudgies are the absolutely best in the world. Best in the West. And just buy Lil Pudgies. That is all. Here's a Mavia. Let's get into some gaming. Let's get into the gaming news of the day. So here's a Mavia Beta Phase 1 is officially kicking off today. a thread about the beta roadmap, gameplay features, and what to expect during our multi-phase rollout. So, Phase 1 beta access, only Mavia Land NFT holders will be granted access to Phase 1 of the beta. So you can go and apply to this Phase 1. It's a waitlist, and eventually you'll just get accepted over time. The purpose of Mavia Beta Phase 1, the first phase of Mavia's beta, is intended to gather as much feedback and inspiration from our community and partners as possible. In addition to testing gameplay elements and eliminating bugs, this phase is for all of us to build together. Was included HQ levels 1 through 5, core resources, core troops, 1 hero, basic multiplayer functionality, core defense buildings, visiting neighbors' bases, global chat experimental, basic shop/armory, core UI screens. What is not included: walkthrough/tutorial, all special effects, full HD graphics which are still optimizing, alliances, skins and decorations, Web3 marketplace. It is important to note that we expect bugs, glitches, imbalances, and many other issues as we polish the beta. We also want to mention that our in-game 3D assets can be upscaled to a 2 to 3x higher quality once we ensure full stability. We have always viewed Mavia's development as a joint effort between our community, whatever, yada yada yada. W's in the chat. Mavia Beta is out. People are, like, a select handful of people have access to it right now, like select close partners. I guess I'm not cool enough to be a close partner, but you know, it's understandable at the same time. I was a little upset, but I mean, I guess I'm not cool enough. On other massive Mavia news, which this news is massive, I own personally 15 lands. So let me just say my stake in Mavia right now. They originally said Mavia land would go up to 100,000 and they would slowly expand over time. Officially, but since then they've fully revamped the way their economy works. Completely redone it. This is like a year ago, more than a year ago. In fact, it's like a year and a half ago, and they're now now they're hard capping Mavia land at 10,000. I believe there's actually 10,001 minted, so maybe 10,001, but basically the same thing. And they lowered the royalty from 6 to 5%, which is nice. It allows resellers to make more money. But this is insane news because this is so much more bullish land, because now your land stake cannot be diluted. You are solid. So now if you buy one land, you own 0.01% of all land. So personally, I own 0.15% of land, which is honestly kind of sick. And I own one of 1,000 legendary lands, which is also sick. So further W's in the chat. But I'm glad that Mavia land will be capped. That is a very good sign for price. I'm actually curious what price is right now. Now, I don't really like to talk about price stuff on this channel, but let's just take a look at it. I'm just curious if it pumped, because honestly, I think Mavia is a good deal if it does well. All right, Mavia just did not pull up. Mavia price. All right, wait. So for when I go to this, I should usually just go here when I look at it like this. But yeah, Mavia floor right now is 0.4, which is a pump. It was at 0.3. So if you look at analytics, we can look at activity actually. You just see people slowly purchasing it up. It was at 0.31. So yeah. So it is slowly grinding up right now. Very good sign. If you're looking to pick up Mavia land, now is the time before there's like none on sale. Heads up. Point of view, you open the Mavia app. I love that you could feel the energy. Hashtag Mavia. So Wayne Riley, he is the marketing lead in business development at Scrice. And so that's the launch of the app. And then you have the loading screen real quickly. I fuck with the animation. I fuck with like the little graphic animation, whatever it's called. Fetching, 100%. Loading, 100%. And so that's the loading screen. Yeah, so that's it for Mavia. Very excited. Some very, very big news on Mavia. I will be looking to play the game ASAP. There's no access right now. On another game, though, that you can play is the... let's go back to this screen. Is the... Alright, wait. I gotta adjust this shit. Actually, do I gotta adjust it? No, I gotta move this down. That's what I gotta do. Much better. Alright. Anyways, another game that is out, another alpha that is out, is the What the Kart alpha. So What the Kart, if you don't know what it is, what's it called? It is a OhBabyGames. OhBabyGames. It is an OhBabyGames original. It's basically Mario Kart with a bunch of CT characters. You have Fu, you have Loomdart. I actually don't know if you have Loomdart actually, but you have Zach XBT, you have Kobe, you have I mean, I can pull up the game. I'm blanking right now. You have Cat, you have Inverse Bra, you have just a generic Capybara, you have a lot of characters, a lot of characters that are CT influencers. I personally just unlocked Fu. I love saying Fu. I love saying that. Honestly, it's a great feeling. So Pass is saying, honestly, it's a great feeling as a founder to be amongst the testers and getting direct feedback. 16 hours of straight racing and notes with diff testers has been insanely useful. We will ramp up more soon and get some competitions going too. I am so excited. I need to go get a PS5 remote because I've been playing with my hands and that has been miserable. But honestly, it's been a great time playing, and I do want to play some more. Maybe I'll play some more on stream right now, but no, I can't. I got a fucking busy day. Oh my, bro, my schedule is so fucked, bro. I need people like stop asking me to do things for them. Like I don't care. Like oh, we gotta go see these family friends. I don't really care. I got shit to do, but out of respect and shit because I haven't seen like I skipped a lot of the I don't know I prioritized crypto over a lot of things and so but now my family's getting like worried about it so I don't know. They're like, Daniel, come out. Yo, wait, I'll play one. Wait, I should play a singular. Oh, baby, I should actually play one game just for stream. To be honest, let's play it. What the cart? I'm gonna launch it, and while it launches, let's finish. Let's talk about Sparkadia. So Sparkadia Alpha, Sparkball Alpha is also live. I could play it. I have not played it yet. It is a 44 competitive mob brawler, as you know, MOB brawler. So you can now play it. It is officially live on the Steam store, but you do need a Steam key. I have personally not played it. I do plan on it. I should. Pretty interesting game. And finally, big time, they have an airdrop, so I don't know what's going on, but if you play it, you get a June airdrop, so that's your heads up. So that's Sparkball. Let me play a singular what the card game. So I believe I searched this the game. Yeah, I'm just like that. You really like that. We got that instant fucking. Alright, so let's just play a fucking game of Sparkball. Or not Spark. I hope I pressed. What game mode did I fucking press? Alright, well. We're gonna see. Not Sparkball. We're gonna play a game of What the Cart. Oh my god, online is on. Wait. That was a real player, Ryan. Online is fucking enabled. Alright, well, now I gotta fucking go try hard. I'll give you guys some audio. Well, I fucking ended super hard. There's potentially one real player in here, and it's like kind of interesting. So basically, it's like Mario Kart pretty much. I've never been on this map before, so you're gonna have to like excuse my like shittiness. Oh my god, didn't fucking give me a boost. So the way you boost is basically if your booster on the bottom right is at the second half, then you gotta press a separate button and then it boosts. So you can see I'm just getting some boosts really quickly. I haven't gotten a single fucking item because I'm really dog shit. And this is my first match of the game of the day. And then when you jump, it's like Mario Kart where you get this jump boost. And so here we go, we're fucking running this shit. So we go through this will give it a little bit of speed boost. Unfortunately, the drift is a little bit buggy sometimes. It like just doesn't go off. It interprets it as though it can't go off, and I don't get it. Also, the ultimate does not work. I do want to try out the ultimate ability, especially Fu. Let me some Fu. Yeah, I'm just smurfing on these guys. Oh my god, you fuck. Oh wait, I have abilities. I haven't even been using any of my abilities. Fuck you. Lion did. Bro, I'm getting like fucked by abilities right now. Bro, why is every ability targeting me? What the fuck is this? Dude, what a terrible start. We're gonna run this. This is why I like getting all the way in the head in like first place. So this is like your star power. When you have that ability, it's like star power. And all the abilities are like different, so it takes some time to get used to. Oh, I fucked up. My boost just didn't go off there. I actually didn't fuck that up. I'm thinking about it, I pressed it 100%. I not mean to use my berry already, but it'd be like that. I don't really care about the rockets. I'm also playing keyboard and mouse. I played Mario Kart on controller, Mario Kart on controller. So I'm like super not used to this shit. So that's like a heads up that I'm like playing like pretty shitty also. Like I'm in like pretty shitty circumstances. But the person who's in first place is super ahead. Which fucking sucks. The AI is pretty good in this game. Like you have to play pretty optimally. Oh my god, if I get fucking hit by a rocket, I'm gonna get so upset. I just entered again. But these rocket abilities are so fucking useless. I don't care about it. I mean, those rocket abilities are like your green things, but they're so much worse. I don't know how to explain it. They don't feel as good because the green things bounce off. These rocket things, whatever the first thing they hit. Pay off. To be fair, they do have, what's it called? I'm actually gonna come in 5th. I'm not gonna beat that guy. Or maybe. Wait. Fuck. I don't know. They just feel like shit. Yeah, I'll come in 3rd. Yeah, maybe I'll come in 3rd. Nice. Fuck you, champ. Oh my god. How they fucking speed boost like that? Yo, fuck you, Bulma. Fuck you, Oso. Oh my, I'm pretty sure Oso is the real player. I think he might be real. Because I don't know if a single character called Oso, unless I haven't been playing this game enough. Oh my, I got clapped. I think it's async or something. I don't know. Trick jump boost, improve your jump power, increase your max speed. Alright, we're going for max speed. Give me that shit. I like these boosts. They're quite useful. They make the game much more better. So I'm gonna raise the volume for this. Yeah, I'll raise the volume for the viewers. I don't know. Let's see. The fact that it shows ping means something. I also fucked up my start that game. I fucked up everything potentially possible. Yeah, like look, it's not even starting. Like this has to be due to somebody quitting or something. No. It's definitely. All right. Well, I don't know. Oh, no jump. I don't know. I've never been on this map before or the previous map. Like I swear these maps are new. Like they just released because they weren't there. But I'm definitely did not go the optimal direction on this map. Fuck you, Bulma. No, I missed. I need a controller. I don't have like enough fingers to like press these buttons. Even though I mean I technically do. Fuck you, Bulma. I also never been on this map before. This is like my first time fucking running this shit. Dude, that is definitely a new map. Like definitely. Bro, why is so much faster than me? Oh my, he's drifting. That's why. Bro, what the fuck is this spinning thing? What the fuck? Fuck, I missed. Try going this way this time. Bro, no shot that fucking. Oh my god, that fucked you up so much. And I didn't get a fucking up boost because of Bulma's bitch ass. Bulma, we're gonna not come in first because of your bitch ass. It's all because of you, stupid woman. Oh my god, I'm tired of this shit. Stupid woman's not really the right word, but it's kind of funny. You won't understand that reference unless you like know. So Bulma might be a man, might be a woman. I don't know what she is. So that's more the reference. It's not really like something like cancelable, even though that sounded pretty bad. Oh my god, I have AIDS. In game. Bro, it's like stopping my drift. Alright. Also, my jump button just did not work there. Alright. Fun game. I'm like tilted on every game. I just get tilted in every game. Let's like get a heads up. So one thing you should like learn. Oh my god, don't. Nice. Come here, Bulma. I'm coming for that Bulma seed. Fuck. Bro, whoever's at first is literally smoking. Oh, wait, it's Pentoshi. Oh my god, and my thing didn't go. Oh, wait, I think I hit Bulma somehow. Alright, well, I won. Or I came second. Oh, this game is so hard. Bro, playing keyboard and mouse is like fucking miserable. I'm playing on a keyboard, by the way, second. Oh my god, bro, I actually lost to first place by like 50 seconds. Alright. Well, Foo. I love Foo's headband. Foo. Alright, what next am I playing? All shield items last 1 second longer. Nope. Let's go with that one, I guess. Actually, no, because you don't really get these. Once you're, like, later in the game, it's not really an issue. We're gonna go with... we're gonna go random. Let's see what happens, like, pick random. What does it give me? Let's take a look. Let's see. I definitely am gonna have to cut a lot of this if I want to upload this gameplay. It didn't give me anything. What the fuck? Oh my god. I pressed random and it gave me nothing. Alright, let's fucking go. Oh wait, no, there's definitely one other person in. That like took way too long. Oops. Fuck, I missed. Alright, well I'm playing terribly, but it doesn't really matter right now. Oh my god. The fact that you can't cut through there is pretty stupid. I gotta stop going the wide way on that turn. Because it keeps fucking me over. I gotta play these maps more. This is the one map that I've actually played and I keep going the wrong direction on that one area. At least there's like places to learn. There we go. Oh, I hate this shit so much. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Damn, actually gonna come in 5th? No, no, no. Fuck, him in 3rd. That was pretty terrible. Yeah, it's a really short map. Oh, that was really bad. I could do better than that. Oh my god, bro, this AI is fucking broken. I wish I could check the leaderboard. This is another thing. I wish I could just hit tab and be like, all right, what's the leaderboards? All right, give me this. Give me one of these two are pretty good for me. Let's go this one. Bro, the random buff literally did nothing. I didn't get anything. What the fuck? Never going for that one again. Literally inted. Throwing my game away. When is your day at a glance? All right, yeah. And then after this, I'm gonna end stream after this game. After we rank and leader. By the way, the way to unlock Fu and these other characters is basically just play it as like a battle pass system. When you get an XP, it's pretty similar to like a battle pass. Yeah, no, there's definitely another guy in this game because it's taking so long for it to start. I should have went jump boost, unfortunately. Why is Chip just straight up faster than me? I'm telling you, bro. Some of these characters. Oh wait, these characters are straight up faster than me. What the fuck? Nice, get fucked, bitch. Maybe it's coins. I gotta start going for more coins. I think that's like my biggest mistake. Oh, I threw. I could have caught up to him if I didn't mess up there. Nice. A homing missile? That's fucking broken to just give me from this point again. Where are you? Fuck you. Who, he blocked it? Well, I'm just faster than you now, I guess. Oh my god. Fuck, it didn't cancel. Alright, well, I tried. Bulma, fuck you and your Bulma C. Oh my god, I ended. Dumb bitch. Absolutely destroyed. Alright. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I got drip for days. Now you can't catch this wave. And I'm at 10 coins. Yeah. I'm rich. Rich, 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 rich. Alright, I don't think I came first, though. Nice and happy. Nice SMH. What level am I? I don't know. Oh, I came in first? Like that. Like that. Yes, sir. All we do is win, win, win no matter what. 50 bands on my head, you know what's up. Yeah. Alright. And, yeah, so all we do is take W's, as you can tell. Just literally the best player of all time. Like that, like that, like that. So, big W. Yeah, so you see, I just gained a bunch of XP. And I just unlocked all these shits. So, there you go. I've also beaten a few of the bosses. So, I mean, if you look at the bosses, I've beaten everything except Gummy Bear and Shiba Angels. So, I've beat 4 out of 6, which is honestly not bad. And I'll go and finish them later. But, yeah, so game is a lot of fun, as you tell. I got pretty into it. I gotta learn to mute myself. I now have Tetranode. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Is that like a rabbit? I don't know. But we're gonna remain with the foo. What else? We can fuck around with the Kart and shit. Very, very nice. Ornament. I like this. I'm not a big... I like this. I'm not a big fan of... Wait, what is that? Where did that go? Where did the fries get placed? Anyways, yeah, you can see that's super customizable. Oh, that is the fries. Oh, the fries like bugged. Why does it look like that? That's not fries. Alright, well, let's give us the little ducky. Let's keep the emojis. But yeah, that's the game. Pretty fun game. I'm obviously pretty into it. I love fucking Mario Kart and shit like that, so... But yeah, it's a good time. And the shop, you collect your coins, you get like new carts and stuff, some rare stuff. So yeah, it's a good time. Confirm, customize, anything else I want to do? Nope, I think that's it. I think we're gonna end stream here. Go do my edits, and I gotta leave in a few hours, and it'll be a good time. Hopefully I get all the clips in by then. But yeah, W's in the chat. Love me some Mario Kart, some Mario Kart type shit. Yes, sir. 40s on 40s on 40s on 40s. All I do is continue getting sturdy. I don't remember what Kai's line was in that song. But yeah, W's. I hope everybody has a good day. A nice weekend. Enjoy it with your family. Stay wholesome. Stay happy. The chart looks like very, very Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Up only. Yes, sirski. And yeah, I'm just going to sit in this long. Because, I mean, that was my plan. My plan was to take this long and close it at 36,000, 38,000. Wait, let's do the math. If I long 25x and we go 25%, let's do the calculator. 0.25 times 25, that is a 6x. Imagine I do a 6x on this long. So what was in this long, like, I'm not going to say the arbitrary numbers. Damn, that's honestly not bad. That's honestly a pretty good long. If it works out, it depends on funding rates and shit. We'll see. But yeah, that is all. I am pretty much done. Anything else I want to talk about? No. Alright, I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoyed the stream, the daily streams. And I hope everybody stays happy and shit. Adios.